In a world where technology never ceases to amaze, the future holds an even more fascinating reality: wearable, AI-powered, and spatially aware tech. Picture this. You're not just using a device, you're interacting with technology that understands and responds to your environment. We're moving from the age of smartphones to an era where technology becomes part of our very being. Smart glasses that help us navigate our surroundings, AI assistants that anticipate our needs, and spatial computing that reshapes our interaction with the digital world. This isn't a distant dream. It's the reality that's unfolding. Giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are already making strides in this direction, transforming our lives in ways we've never imagined. As we step into the future, we're not just witnessing the evolution of technology, we're becoming one with it. Indeed, the future of technology is no longer confined to our devices. It will become a part of us. 2023 was a landmark year for large language models, with OpenAI's ChatGPT gaining millions of users in a short span. Large language models, or LLMs for short, are complex AI models that can understand, generate, and interact using human language. They've been transforming the tech landscape, driving advancements in everything from customer service chatbots to creative writing assistants. One of the key players in this space is OpenAI. Their ChatGPT model, an AI chatbot, made waves in 2023 by amassing a user base in the millions in record-setting time. It's a testament to the power and potential of these models. They can understand context, learn from past interactions, and even exhibit a touch of humor, making them highly engaging and useful for a wide range of applications. But the rise of LLMs isn't just about fancy chatbots. It's about the broader shift in how we interact with technology. From typing on keyboards and tapping on screens, we're moving towards conversational interfaces, where we can talk to our devices just like we would with another human being. And it's not just about making tech more user-friendly. It also opens up new possibilities for accessibility, allowing people who might struggle with traditional interfaces to engage with technology in meaningful ways. Beyond the user interface, LLMs are also shaping the back end of technology. They can analyze vast amounts of text data, uncovering insights and trends that would be impossible for a human to spot. They're being used in everything from market research to climate science, helping us make sense of the complex world we live in. So, as we reflect on the rise of large language models, we can see how they've already started to reshape the tech industry. But as we usher in 2024, all signals point towards a shift in focus, from language to vision. As the tech world sets its sights on the next frontier, we can expect an exciting year ahead, filled with new possibilities and innovations. With 2024 on the horizon, the tech world is preparing for the emergence of large vision models. Large vision models, or LVMs for short, are the next big thing in artificial intelligence. These models take the concept of computer vision, the machine's ability to see and recognize objects, and combine it with the power of AI to create an intelligent system that can understand and interact with the world around it. Imagine a system that can not only recognize a coffee cup, but also understand its purpose, its position in relation to other objects, and even predict what might happen to it next. That's the promise of LVMs, and it's not just theoretical. Major tech companies are investing heavily in this technology. For instance, Google, Samsung, and Qualcomm have announced a partnership to develop a mixed reality device expected to be released in 2025. This device, powered by LVMs, could revolutionize how we interact with digital content by merging it seamlessly with our physical surroundings. But the potential applications of LVMs go far beyond mixed reality. They could be used in self-driving cars to better understand the road environment, in healthcare to analyze medical images with unprecedented accuracy, or in retail to create personalized shopping experiences based on visual cues. The impact of LVMs on the tech industry could be immense. By unlocking a new level of understanding of the visual world, these models could create entirely new categories of applications and services, drive significant improvements in existing ones, and potentially even disrupt certain industries. However, these models also pose significant challenges. They require huge amounts of data and computational resources, raising issues around privacy and energy efficiency. And as with any powerful technology, there's the risk of misuse, which will require careful regulation. But despite these challenges, the tech industry is pushing forward. Large vision models represent an exciting new frontier in artificial intelligence, promising to make our devices not just smarter, but also more aware, and more intuitive. As we move forward, these transitional devices will continue to evolve, setting the stage for the next decade of innovation. Scene script. Computer vision and artificial intelligence, two seemingly separate entities, converge in the realm of spatial computing. Enter computer vision, a remarkable subset of artificial intelligence. To put it in the simplest of terms, computer vision is the tech that allows machines to see. It's like giving a pair of spectacles to your computer, enabling it to recognize and understand visual data in the same way humans do. But these aren't just any spectacles. These are masterfully trained to recognize specific use cases, such as inspecting a part on an assembly line. These machines can analyze a product for defects at a speed that leaves human capabilities in the dust. But computer vision isn't just about speed and efficiency. It's a crucial component in making wearables work and machines see. Yet for it to be useful in the myriad of situations an everyday person might encounter, it needs to be paired with more AI. Take, for example, Meta's collaboration with Ray-Ban. Their multimodal approach is designed to let the smart glasses see the world from the wearer's perspective for the very first time. Now let's introduce artificial intelligence into the mix. AI enhances computer vision, taking it from a mere observer to an intelligent participant that can understand and interact with its environment. It's like upgrading those spectacles to a pair of smart glasses, capable of not only seeing but also comprehending and engaging with the world. This is where we witness the convergence of AI and computer vision in the form of spatial computing. This is not just a confluence of two technologies, but the birth of a new entity. Spatial computing is a scale technology that gets its eyes and ears from AI and computer vision, marking the advent of large vision models, or LVMs. While the chatter around large vision models is still in its early stages, it's buzzing in the corridors of Silicon Valley. Think of LVMs as the next step in the evolution of AI and computer vision, transforming how we process images and interact with the digital world. With the convergence of AI and computer vision, we are on the brink of a new era, the era of large vision models. As we step into 2024, we are stepping into the future of wearable tech. It's a future where spatial computers and wearable devices are poised to overtake smartphones. AI-powered glasses like Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses and Amazon's Echo frames are already making strides and setting the pace for what's to come. Next year, we can expect to see large vision models, or LVMs, unlock a new era of spatial computing. These AI-driven models will give our wearables the ability to see and interact with the world in ways we've only dreamed of. Imagine a device that not only guides you on your journey, but also understands your environment and adapts to your needs in real time. And the players of big tech aren't stopping there. They're already envisioning the next generation of devices that will replace our computers and eventually, our smartphones. With the evolution of technology accelerating at record speeds, the future of wearable tech is not just promising, it's inevitable.